In this video, you'll learn how to build internal tools using Base44. By following this guide, you will be able to create customized applications tailored to your specific needs. Begin by navigating to the Base44 website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for Base44. Once the page loads, you should see the home page with various options available for creating internal tools. Next, locate the section that prompts you to describe your app idea. This is typically found below the main header on the home page. Click on the designated area that says describe your app idea below or get inspired by our templates. This action will lead you to the next screen where you can input your idea. After that, type in the phrase create internal tools into text input field. Once you've entered this text, look for the button that allows you to proceed. Click on enter to submit your idea. This will take you to a new page focused on building your application. Once this appears, you will need to find and click on the option labeled building your idea. This option is essential as it guides you through the subsequent steps of the process, allowing you to refine your application concept further. Following this, select the option that states, I'll create an internal tool for your app. Let me first understand what you currently have and then ask some clarifying questions. This choice will initiate a series of questions aimed at helping you define your tool more clearly. Now, click on the close notification button that appears on your screen. This step is important to remove any distractions and focus on the next actions required for your project. Next, locate and click on the dashboard option. This will take you to an overview of your current projects and tools, providing you with a clear layout of your workspace. After reaching the dashboard, find and click on the preview option. This allows you to see a draft version of your internal tool before finalizing any changes. Then click on either AI chat or prompt. This selection will prompt the system to gather more information about your project requirements. You will now see a message asking, what type of internal tool would you like to build? This is your opportunity to specify the kind of application you envision. Proceed by selecting project/task management. This choice helps the system understand the main functionality you wish to integrate into your tool. Following this, click on the next button to continue through the tool creation process. This will guide you to the next relevant options. Next, select small team people. This selection will help tailor the tool's features to fit the size of your team. After making this selection, click on next once more. This will lead you to further customization options for your internal tool. You will then need to click on track work and deadlines. This feature is crucial for managing tasks and ensuring that timelines are met effectively. Now click on the submit button to finalize your selections. This action will send your preferences to the Base44 system for processing. Once this is done, wait for Base44 to generate your internal tool. This may take a moment depending on the complexity of your selections and the current system load. Be patient as the application is being configured. After the generation process is complete, you can start testing your new internal tool. Make sure to review its features and functionalities to ensure it meets your needs.